Hi and welcome back, guys. Today I just want to do a quick video on Zomedica, and I also will be sharing my price targets for Zomedica, so stick around until the end. But before I continue, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together, talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, and just share ideas. I also will be sharing my trades on there as well. So if you guys are interested, it's only 33 cents a day. And I love talking about stocks, so come join me. Zomedica started to pick up momentum in January when the company announced the new CEO, wkhs, was coming on board. And now people are anticipating the release of their first product, TRUFORMA, which is an analyzer device intended for veterinarian offices. So rather than grabbing a swab from your cat or dog and then sending it off to a laboratory for analysis, vets load the swab into a handy cassette, pop it into the desktop TRUFORMA machine, and wait around 20 minutes for results. Then the vet reads the critical canine and feline health data and proceeds with picking the right treatment. So a lot of people are talking about Zomedica because TRUFORMA is scheduled to release their product on March 30th. So at launch, it'll be capable of 5 different diagnostic assays for cats and dogs. 2 more assays will be out the door by the end of 2021. And moving forward, the company has already indicated that 3 gastrointestinal health assays are currently in development, with even more to come in the future. In mid-February, Zomedica raised around $200 million in a public offering. Given that the company has less than $2 million in debt and trailing 12-month operating cash flows of only $16.2 million, and now has plenty of cash to use for future growth. And as TRUFORMA's rollout starts to pick up pace later in the year, investors could see accelerating revenue growth for the first time in the company's history, assuming things proceed as management plans. And with all of this said, I do see price targets of at least $3 before the release of their TRUFORMA product. And if TRUFORMA is successful, the stock can easily go to $10. So the stock has been beaten up due to the overall market and is now trading under $2. This would be the perfect time to start a position in Zomedica so that you can benefit from its growth potential. But before buying any type of securities, please conduct your own due diligence. And let's just take a quick look at what I'm holding. So I do have 3,000 shares at $1.61. I plan to buy more if it does continue to drop. I do believe that their TRUFORMA product will be a success. Let's just take a quick look at their video on TRUFORMA.
Zomedica has partnered with Corvo Biotechnologies to develop TRUFORMA, a breakthrough testing platform that aims to dramatically improve how we identify and manage disorders in dogs and cats. Based on high-performance bulk acoustic wave detection, TRUFORMA provides accurate reference lab-grade results in approximately 18 minutes on average. Currently, many in-clinic platforms lack the sensitivity and speed needed for rapid diagnosis. As a result, many tests are still sent to a reference lab. The advanced biosensor platform TRUFORMA will shift this paradigm, offering fully realized reference lab performance at the point of care. Using industry-standard microfluidic and electronic design, both the instrument and the disposable cartridges are easy to use. The cartridges provide incredible flexibility, performance control, and a broad menu of complex testing possibilities. The sample passes through the cartridge via a series of microfluidic channels and ultimately over the sensor, where the platform's incredible acoustic-based technology takes over. TRUFORMA uses a completely different, new, and extremely sensitive method of detection based on bulk acoustic wave or BAW sensor technology. The BAW sensor can detect subtle changes in the mass of specific molecules associated with a particular test. When an analyte of interest passes through the fluidic channel, it binds to the target molecule, forming a slightly heavier particle that resonates at a different frequency. This change can then be converted to a known concentration. Because BA operates at high frequencies, it has a very low limit of detection, allowing these changes to be measured down to a level of 10 picograms per milliliter. The platform initially targets specific assay candidates to detect thyroid and adrenal disorders in dogs and cats. New assays and expanding capabilities are anticipated. Because BA operates at high frequencies, it has a very low limit of detection, allowing these changes to be measured down to a level of 10 picograms per milliliter. The platform initially targets specific assay candidates to detect thyroid and adrenal disorders in dogs and cats. New assays and expanding capabilities are anticipated, including gastrointestinal, diabetes, renal, and infectious disease testing. All tests use a test reference analysis, eliminating background effects such as temperature, viscosity, and nonspecific binding. The mass-based detection is isolated to the surface, leading to breakthrough variance control. The semiconductor design means the platform is multiplex capable, which allows several tests to be run on the same sample. This is all done in an average of 18 minutes through a tabletop instrument, finally enabling clinicians to access the data they need in a time frame that enhances clinic efficiency. The platform is designed to interface with all modern vet hospital and clinic connectivity methods. Zomedica's new BA biosensor detection platform addresses the gaps that have previously prevented highly accurate in-clinic testing, providing reference lab quality performance at the point of care.
Hope you guys got a better idea on what TRUFORMA can actually do. In the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much.
Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.